What's up guys, welcome back to yet another video. We have a new update rolling out for Oneplus 8, 8 Pro and 8T. And this is again based on ColorOS 12 closed beta. Last week we received the closed beta 5 update for Oneplus 8 series and now we have closed beta 6 for the same devices. And in this video let's quickly take a look at what all changes they have done and how stable is this closed beta ColorOS 12 for Oneplus 8 series. Before starting the video, thank you so much guys for completing the like target of 400 likes on our previous video. Let's keep the same like target, and we have 80% of users who haven't subscribed to our channel, so it's a humble request, do consider subscribing and also press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. So here I have my Oneplus 8. Let me show you the software information first by going to settings, about section. Here you can see ColorOS version is version 12, build number says C.09. So for OnePlus 8 and 8 Pro it's version C.09. For OnePlus 8T, it's version C.10. We get the same security patch of 5th Jan 2022, which was present on the previous build of ColorOS 12. These are the benchmark results. With single core device have scored 908 and with multi-core device have scored 3162. With Antutu benchmark device have scored 6,80,737. Similar benchmark results were seen on closed beta 5 too. Basically, this update doesn't bring any kind of new features over the previous build. There are some minor bug fixes which OnePlus have done on this latest update of ColorOS 12. There are many users who wants to install ColorOS 12 on their OnePlus 8 series, but they have been facing issues while installing it. And I've also been seeing many comments that downloading is very slow. So guys, downloading is slow, I know that, because we are downloading it from Chinese server. So if you have PC, you can use Internet Download Manager. That will help you guys download file faster. I always use Internet Download Manager and it hardly takes around 7 to 8 minutes to completely download the file of around 4 GB. So you can use your PC along with Internet Download Manager. And now talking about installation process, there are many users who are not able to install it. So guys, I don't know what's the issue, but for me, I personally never faced any kind of issues while performing a local upgrade. So here you can see the file, and I was running previous build of ColorOS on my OnePlus 8. I just had to install the OnePlus local update application. With that, I also placed the file of latest build in the internal storage, and later using local update application, I just did a local upgrade. So here you can see these screenshots were taken when I was installing this latest build of ColorOS, and I did not find any kind of issues installing. The same way you can install ColorOS 12 if you are also running OxygenOS latest build. So give it a try and let me know in the comment section below whether you guys are able to successfully install ColorOS 12 or not. Also, currently I won't recommend you guys to update to this latest build of ColorOS, which is closed beta. We are hoping on 17th Jan we'll be getting the first open beta of ColorOS 12. But still, if you guys wish to install, you guys can go ahead and install closed beta on your OnePlus 8 series. By default, we get to see call recording option on ColorOS 12. On OxygenOS 12, we get to see Google Dialer. And you can also find all your call recordings in the call logs. On the previous update, this feature wasn't working, which says hold the receiver to your ear to switch to receiver mode. But on this build there are no issues. Let me show you. If I cover the proximity sensor, the device automatically switched to ear mode, and soon I remove my hand, it is back to the speaker mode. And this is a small list of changes what they have done on this latest build of ColorOS closed beta 6, wherein they have fixed some of the issues related to quick setting tiles icon while using the light background. They also say they have fixed some Bluetooth issues, but for me, I never faced any kind of issues related to Bluetooth. And at last, some black screen issues while using ColorOS on OnePlus 8 series. We still have users asking about 90 FPS support on ColorOS. So guys, there is no 90 FPS support on ColorOS 2. So let me show you the graphic settings here on my OnePlus 8. If you see the lobby setting, it says smooth and 90 FPS. But if you open the game toolbox here, you can see device is only giving us 60 FPS. So still there is no 90 FPS support in Battlegrounds Mobile India. Though if you guys want to enable 90 FPS, I've already made few videos on that. Just follow that video guide and enable 90 FPS on any of your OnePlus supported device. As said, there is nothing much to be covered in this video because I couldn't find much of changes over the previous update. So guys, this was a quick look on the latest closed beta update for OnePlus 8 series. If you still have any kind of questions, let me know in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.